guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another amazing day. So guys, I don't know what time you're going to be watching this video. I don't know, it's morning, it's evening, it's night time, but hi guys. Today I want to do another video. I'm from purchasing some hair. You see, this is the hair that I want to make, and I want to have this look. This is the look that I want to have. This one is a bit small because you see I have locks on, so I can't manage to do this. So the last time I tried doing this, yeah, there's a video down below. You can go watch it. So I have purchased two pieces because two pieces will be enough. I have to count my locks because last time when I was making my hair, I did a mess. I didn't count, so I need to count how many locks I have to see how messed up my hair looks like. Yeah, it has a bit of growth, and I thought I'm doing retouch every now and then, but my hair is getting worn out within a week. Within a week it's worn out, so I need to just redo it. I just missed braiding my hair, and I thought, why not braid my hair with you? I purchased two pieces, and for every piece they were selling, you see the price, 450 for one piece. Yeah, I purchased each at 450, so for the two pieces I bought it 900 shillings here. So 900 shillings, and then I bought a molding wax that is going to hold my hair, like it's going to hold all the growth down here, because why? Yeah, so I bought this only 200 shillings, so I spent like 1100. And then I wanted some what do you call this, to hold my hair when I'm braiding, so yeah, and that is it guys. So I hope you're going to enjoy the video with me as I braid my hair. I know it's going to take a while. I'm sure I'm going to braid it for 2 days. I can't manage to braid it for one day because you have to go for some errands, and yeah. So guys, enjoy the video, sit, relax, and enjoy the video. Hi, this is the second day of doing my hair. So I started my hair yesterday late in the evening, so I didn't braid it at night because I wanted to film for you and show you how I acquired this look of a spring twist. Guys, I've already done my backside. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I've already done the backside, so I wanted to do spring twist. I missed braiding my hair, so don't wonder why I have there are some left outs. That is the dreadlocks, because my dreadlocks are colored and the spring twist is black. So guys, hey, it's tiring to do your hair, but sometimes it's fun, and I decided why not do it for you. So my first pack done. Actually, this is the only piece that is remaining for my first pack, which has already done my most of the part of my hair up to this bit. So the only remaining bit is this and this. So I'm hoping this second pack is going to finish up everything, because guys, I'm on a budget. I don't want to add an extra pack. Your girl is on budgets, guys. You have to save, you have to be disciplined. Actually, I'm trying to save also because I don't want to go to the salon. This year is that year that I'm manifesting for so many things. With this economy, with this Kenyan economy, it's not easy, guys. Literally, it's not. So any chance you get, you have to utilize everything. So I'm trying to utilize my resources. Whatever small that I have to utilize. So imagine if I went to a salon, I would get, like, I would do maybe 3 packs of this, and That is almost 900 bucks plus 450. That is almost amount of money, and then you braid maybe for 1,000 for 1,500 Kenya shillings. So you can imagine I would have used more than 3,000 to braid my hair. But right now I've just used just 900, and then I bought this molding wax to hold my hair down here because you see it's, yeah, so I have to use this. So I'll be showing you how I do my hair. Actually, I've never done spring twist on my hair before, but I just watched a video on YouTube and I decided why not try, because I'm talented in braiding, guys. I can braid myself, but I don't know how to braid anyone. But on my side, I can braid my hair, but I cannot braid someone's hair. So this one is going to take me the whole day today to braid all this. So this is how I divide into segments. So this is what I'll be using. So I'll be showing you on this side so that you see. The back side you cannot see it. I don't even know how I divided. So I've gotten my molding wax because I want to hold. I have a mirror here, so please bear with me. I have to look at the mirror so that I can be able to see how I'm dividing these segments. So I have to put the wax down here to hold my all the hair so that it's not going to be left out. So yeah, and that's how I do it, guys. So here is my hair. I have to use a crochet. So guys, I have this, and I have my scissors. You don't wanna lack scissors because of cutting. This hair sometimes tangles, so you have to use the scissors. So I'll go in. I don't know if you can see crochet. I don't know it's crochet or crochet, and you crochet it inside so that I can. That is it. So because I have a bit of growth, see how where my growth is. My growth is okay. So let's go. You have to make sure you hold everything. So for me, I have to roll twice. So that is going to be firm, and then I'll braid a bit. I don't know if you can see that. I have to braid so that it's going to be firm. Okay, so after braiding, I'm going to go and twist. So this is how I'm doing. I don't know it's anti-clockwise or it's clockwise. I don't know what you call this, but for me it's anti-clockwise. So this is how you twist. Don't worry about this. This is my baby hair that is stubborn. So the reason why I told you I need scissors is because there's some hair that's being left out. So you do this, you continue this. So we have a dreadlock tip. You see it. So I have to make sure I cover it up. Some are running out because they don't have the good tips like the hair. So you have to look for a way to cover it up. This one is getting stubborn. Guys, it's a fan that is running there. It's really hot in this house. So don't mind if you hear the noise. It's really, really hot. So this thing is getting being stubborn, but managed. So that's how easy you achieve the twist. Let's go. So I'll show you with another one how I do it, and then I'll just finish up the rest because I can't film the whole head. So guys, you're going to bear with me, and then I'll be showing you the end results of, you see. So yeah, I used Guess Girl. For those who don't know, I'm using Guess Girl to achieve this look. So yeah. So guys, look at the tip. So I'll come later. You see there are some hair that is running out, and then I'm going to trim it like this, you know, for it to look neat. So it can't be 100% neat, but you'll just try to. So that is it. So I'll go to the next. That is this one. Yeah. So I'll do the same. So guys, I'm looking at the mirror. I'm sorry because so I'll continue with the process. I have to hold all the hair. So these ones are the baby hair that are very stubborn. So I'll do the same thing as I did. So I think this one I'm not going. I don't know if I'm going to crochet it or just. You can also do this. You don't have to crochet it. You can just twist it up so that it's going to be found down here. Then we braid. So easy. I think this one is easier than if you don't want the stress of crocheting. You see? So easy. Braiding your hair is easy. You see why I told you you need scissors? Because it tangles so easy. So we're going to go in and twist anti-clockwise, guys. So that's anti-clockwise. So repeat the whole process, the whole head. So it's so easy, very easy to do the spring twist. See how it looks like. I can't wait to rock my hair, to rock my hair. Hey. So guys, this girl is on a budget, so I think I'll be braiding my hair most of this time of the year because guys, I'm investing, not investing, I'm manifesting for. I really need a good phone for filming. I also need some GoPro because sometimes the phones can disappoint. Yeah, it's the space, you know. So I have to try my best this year to see if I can get those things for vlogging to make my videos. You know, I have to bring content for you. Yeah, so yeah, guys. So let me finish up the rest of the head I'll be back to you to show you the results. Yeah, so see you guys. You see how it looks neat? Looks nice, right? Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait. Cannot wait to style it up. So yeah. Actually, I can braid myself, but I cannot be able to braid somebody's head. I don't know why. This is a side hustle, right? I can make people's hair and I get paid, but I don't know. I don't know how to do people's hair, but I can braid myself. Boom! And that is it. You see? I don't know if you can. So let me braid the rest of the hair so that I'll show you the end of the result, guys. So, guys, this is my final look. What do you think? So this is how I just styled my hair. I'll be showing you how to style in a different way, but because I just wanted something simple for now, like this, just a style and go for just right now. Maybe when you are in a hurry, you just want to style it and move. So for me, I just opted to style it like a bun, and then I just let these ones lay on this one side. So this just, I just love it. You see, very neat, guys. So I just love the outcome of how, and I'm so proud of myself for braiding my hair and finishing it. So I told you I'll let you see my final look. You see? Yeah, so this is my final look. I'll be showing you how I style the spring twist in different ways. You can style it even like 10 styles. It all depends with how you love to style your hair. But for me, mostly I love it as a bun because I don't like the hair all over my face. And also I like it as a bun because mostly when you're showering, it's okay, you just put on your shower cap and that is it. And then mostly when you're sleeping, you just tie your, and then you sleep. Like, I don't like the hair all over, and then it's so sunny right now. The sun, when you're sweating, the air is also all over. For me, I just love it as a bath. So this is my final look, guys. What do you think? I love you guys for always coming back to watch my videos, and I hope you liked how the way I showed you how to just braid your hair. It is so easy to braid your hair at home. Yeah, you just buy your hair and you're done. So I'll be listing for you the name of the hair that I used to achieve this spring twist. Yes, guys, and I braided it on my locks. So you don't have to stress yourself that, oh, I have dreadlocks, I cannot braid my hair. It's so easy to braid your hair, guys. Very easy. So easy. So this is my final look. I don't know if it's just a dress. Yeah, so until next time, see you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, let me know if you love the hair. Yeah, so until next time, see you, bye, ciao, peace.